Ever wondered why only a small fraction of your viewers subscribe? To fix that, let's go back in time. Now this is you before creating your video, and you're going to focus on these 4 areas to turn more viewers into loyal subscribers. 1. Make a deeper connection with your audience. Us creators often forget that views are people, not just numbers, and we spend a lot of time looking at analytics, but these people just want to connect with someone who understands and values them. Never forget that viewers also see you as a person, not just a content creator. Show them you're listening by asking for feedback and also making videos on popular topics they suggest. Engage thoughtfully with all comments, including negative ones, as your responses can attract more subscribers. I have had experiences like this in the past. Pinning and addressing comments in future videos also helps keep your channel on their radar. With that in mind, let's move on to unique value. Offer something unique that makes your channel memorable. Whether it's through in-depth research, video lengths, or unique visual styles, focus on delivering something special that resonates with your ideal viewers. This encourages them to subscribe to not miss out on something truly unique. The third thing is crafting effective calls to action. Clearly define your 3 W's. Who your audience is, what you offer them, and why they should subscribe. Here's mine. Subscribe to join my journey of helping small channels grow, get exclusive tips, and see this channel grow as proof. This was not just an example, so make sure you actually just subscribed. Studies show that CTAs at the end of videos offer a 20 to 30% boost in subscriber rates compared to videos without CTA, so place them at the end. But if used elsewhere, keep them brief and relevant without disrupting the content. Once you've nailed your CTAs, the next thing to focus on is increasing session time to keep viewers engaged. A way to do this is to arrange your videos into playlists that follow a logical sequence, just like a series, or use end screens and cards. To make your end screen more effective, propose another related problem at the end of the video, which viewers might have, and then get them to click for the solution. Watch out for how I did mine at the end of this video. Make sure you don't just research topics and keywords but also your viewers. Understand their watch history, so you have an idea what they want to watch next. And now we're back in the present, and we've covered these areas. So, you should see improved results in your subscriber conversion rate. For a quick guide on calculating SCR, check out the short link below. If you're struggling with video recommendations, watch this video explaining the YouTube algorithm and don't forget to like and subscribe